Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to back up Trust Wallet to your Google Drive. Now let's start. First is open your Trust Wallet application. Then after that, you need to input your passcode. Now in the home page of your Trust Wallet, just tap Main Wallet at the top section. Then in here, if you do not have any wallet yet, just tap Add Wallet. Then select Create New Wallet. Now in here, just tap the secret face, then Create. Now, let's navigate to the newly created wallet. At the right side, just click the three dots. Then, you'll be able to see the Google Drive. Then, just tap Back Up Now. Now, in here, you need to select a Google Drive where you want to back up your Trust Wallet. Then, after that, just tap Continue. And make sure to grant access from your Google account. Just tap select all or so it's up to you which category or part you want the Trust Wallet has an access. Then scroll down and then tap continue. Now in here you need to set a password and make sure it is different from your Trust Wallet and Google account's password. Then tap set encryption password. Just confirm your password. And make sure to tap Trust Wallet cannot recover by secret face encryption password. And I understand that if I lose or forget this password, I will lose access to my crypto. Afterward, just tap confirm. And there you go. Your backup is already settled. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.